Is there more presents?
Huh?
Is there more presents?
They're all yours.
The same Barbie?
Huh?
Is these all mine?
They're all yours.
Oh. But if I like this the best.
You like that the best?
Uh-huh.
Why do you like that the best?
Cause I like the pink in it. I like Daddy like.
Yep.
I guess let me just see something.
Hey, well, you think he may have got you a baby doll to put in that? What?
What?
Whoa!
What? What did he do?
He must be hungry.
Why?
Cause he ate all cookies on the plate.
Really?
Yep.
Drinking milk too.
Except he left crumbs.
He what?
He left crumbs.
He loved crumbs.
Open my present.
Okay, open one. Why don't you open one of the big ones first?
The white one.